Lockout Tagout, or LOTO, is designed to protect workers by ensuring machines are properly de-energized before maintenance or repairs. Regular inspections are required by OSHA to ensure the procedure is being followed correctly. A proper LOTO audit includes two key components: procedure inspection and employee competency review. Procedure inspection involves reviewing your lockout tagout procedures to ensure they are clear, detailed, and specific to the equipment in use. Are energy control points accurately labeled? Are instructions for lockout devices up to date? An effective inspection ensures that the written procedures are aligned with actual practices on the floor. It's not just about having procedures in place, it's about making sure your employees understand and can follow them. During a LOTO audit, Employee Competency Review assesses whether workers are fully trained in the LOTO process and can execute each step correctly. This review ensures that everyone involved in lockout activities knows their role and the potential hazards. So, how often should a lockout tagout inspection be conducted? According to OSHA standards, LOTO inspections must be performed at least once a year. However, if your facility deals with high-risk machinery or frequent maintenance, conducting inspections more frequently is recommended. These inspections are typically carried out by a qualified lockout inspector, someone who is knowledgeable about the specific energy control procedures. It's essential that this person is not directly involved in the current job being audited, providing an objective view of the process. Despite good intentions, common gaps can arise during LOTO inspections, such as inadequate documentation, where procedures may be outdated, missing steps, or lack clear, written instructions for employees. Worn or damaged lockout devices. Faulty equipment compromises the effectiveness of your LOTO program. Employee noncompliance. Sometimes, workers may skip steps or rush through procedures, increasing the risk of injury. Lack of employee retraining. After an inspection reveals a gap, failure to retrain employees on proper procedures is a critical oversight that can lead to future incidents. To ensure a successful lockout tagout inspection, use a thorough checklist, involve your employees in the process, and follow up on any gaps identified. The goal is continuous improvement in safety. Make sure your procedures are up to date, your team is well trained, and your inspections leave no room for error. If this video helped you understand more about LOTO inspections, be sure to like and subscribe for more safety tips and discussions.